we never thought we had diamonds. Second in producing diamonds. You know, between us and South Africa, we are the only two countries that are producing 80% of all the platinum in the world. This is Zimbabwe. Why? Because God has begun to decode. Suddenly, oil in Africa. Suddenly, countries are being decoded. So we are in a season of being decoded. A season of revealing the glory of God. Now, may God help you. If He's doing it to His creation, you know, one of the things which is very interesting is a tree called moringa. How many of us have heard of moringa? Okay. Are you eating moringa? Moringa has so many benefits. It is actually called the miracle tree. Now, the whole plant, whether roots, mashisha, anything, moringa is useful. Now, the barks, the flowers,